In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a tick chart on TradingView. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, launch TradingView. This is the initial step that sets the foundation for everything else. If you haven't already opened TradingView, now is the time to do so. It's important to note that you'll need a professional tier plan. This includes subscriptions like Expert, Elite, or Ultimate. These higher tiers are essential because tick intervals are exclusive to them. So if you're not sure about your subscription, double-check it before proceeding. Once you've launched TradingView, you might be prompted to log in. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in is a crucial step because it ensures you have the right permissions and access to the features you need. If you encounter any login issues, make sure your details are correct. This will save you time and frustration later on. With TradingView open and you logged in, it's time to focus on the chart. On the open stock, choose the name you want to open. This is often displayed prominently, making it easy to spot. Selecting the correct stock is important because it determines the data you'll be analyzing. If you're not sure which stock to choose, consider what you're most interested in at the moment. Now make sure you click on the full chart. This action maximizes the chart view, allowing you to see all the details. Having a full view of the chart provides better visualization of the data. This is important because a detailed view aids in making informed decisions, so don't skip this step. Next up, click the time interval dropdown. You'll find this at the top left corner of your chart, right next to the asset ticker. This dropdown is a key feature as it allows you to customize how you view the data. Scroll down past the seconds intervals until you reach the tick charts section. Here you can select your preferred tick size. Choosing the right tick size is crucial because it affects the granularity of the data. A smaller tick size provides more detail, while a larger size gives a broader view. After selecting your preferred tick size, you'll see the changes reflected on the chart. It's reassuring to see the tick chart update instantly, confirming that your selection was successful. This immediate feedback is a hallmark of TradingView's user-friendly design. At this point, you've successfully set up a tick chart on TradingView. Remember, the tick chart provides a unique view of the market by showing price changes regardless of time. This can be particularly useful for day traders who want to capture every market move. As you become more familiar with tick charts, you'll find them an invaluable tool in your trading arsenal. They offer insights that are not always visible on time-based charts. So, take your time to explore different tick sizes and see what works best for your trading strategy. With that, you've completed all the necessary steps to set up a tick chart on TradingView. Continue experimenting with different settings to maximize your trading experience. Thanks for watching and happy trading!